of this problem, where we determine the horizontal and vertical components of the action of the PA and the action of the B and C. So here is our given. So we have a length from D to A, which is 1.5 meters. Then the length, distance of 1.5 meter from A to C. And then from C to B, we have 1.5 meter distance. And then we have a load of 4 kilonewtons at point B. So here is our diagram, where our amounts are AX, AY, moment and A. So here's the solution. Summation of moment A is equals to 0. So first we get the forces from CP. So we have FCD sine 45 degree times 1.5 minus 4 times 3 is equals to 0. So if we calculate this, FCD is now 11.21 Newton. Then next is we will look for the summation of forces along the axis. So we have AX plus 11.31 cosine 45 is equals to 0. If we calculate this, it will be AX is equals to negative 8 kilonewton, or AX is equals to 8 kilonewton going to the left. And then next is summation of forces along y-axis is equals to 0. So we have AY plus 11.31 sine 45 degree minus 4 is equals to 0. If we calculate this, we will get AY is equals to negative 4 kilonewton. And it can be AY is equals to 4 kilonewton, but going downwards. So do you have any question?
So why did you use sine 45 degrees at FCD, moment at point A?
Question. We use the 45 degree angle since it is a right triangle. Notice that the length and the distance are the same. That's why it says the angle is 45 degree.